What's good guys, my name is Ishan. You're probably busy, which is perfect because on this channel we like to keep things short and sweet. No fluff, just quick and to the point. So in the next few minutes we're going to be going over the best pharmaceutical stock to buy right now. We're going to be going over all the nitty-gritty details of this company that frankly no one is talking about, plus a quick technical analysis at the end. So as always, if you appreciate these short and value-packed videos, make sure to drop a quick sub and let's clock in. Quick side note, in my last video I went over the top 3 tech stocks to buy in the next pullback that will make you rich. So make sure to check that out because those 3 tech stocks are superb. So the stock we're talking about today is zoetis stock. They're the world's largest producer of medicine and vaccinations for pets and livestock, and they were a subsidiary of Pfizer until 2013. So as you can see, they are the leaders in some of the biggest markets for animal health globally. They are single-handedly dominating a $40+ billion industry with no competition, and their stock reflects that. It's been doing amazing and it will continue to do so for 2 big reasons. The first is the longevity of their business. Apart from the life cycle of their products, the company as a whole and what they do, which is animal care, that business is going nowhere. That's going to be around forever. Sure, some people think that vaccines hurt humans that don't really work, whatever that is, but no one wants to catch rabies from their pets or any crazy disease or something like that. And we know that because the global animal vaccine market size was $8 billion in 2017 and is estimated to reach $12.8 billion by 2025, or a compound annual growth rate of 6% from 2018 to 2025. This sort of medication for animals is going to continue to be needed, and zoetis dominates the industry. Add on the fact that pet adoptions have been steadily increasing in the US, and the overall pet care market will grow by over $120 billion in just the next 7 years, zoetis isn't going to be seeing a slowdown in the short term. And I was actually surprised that this segment, meaning animal vaccinations, only represents 24% of their business, which brings me to my next point, which is the diversification of zoetis' business. As you can see, they are in various fields, and sure, I could go on and on about their potential products and all that sorts of stuff, but the one I'm most excited for and could continue to be massive for zoetis is their precision livestock farming. To put it simply, precision livestock farming is the use of advanced technologies to optimize the contribution of each animal. The company's dairy cow monitoring system called SmartBow uses motion detectors attached to animals' ears so that it can detect patterns that indicate health problems or even when a cow is in heat. This industry is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 10% from 2019 to 2024, and I believe it's going to be much larger going forward. We saw how the pandemic disrupted the global meat market this year, firstly at meat plants, but then also secondly having to make sure that animals were actually healthy and disease-free. So this segment of their business is going to continue to see growth, and it's actually going to be helped by what happened this year, and is actually something they're also very focused on going forward. Now let's talk about zoetis' financials. As you can see, they're not bad at all. They're still managing to grow compared to a lot of other pharma companies that are actually seeing negative growth, and along with that they have a solid amount of cash along with their earnings per share growing consistently thanks to their increasing margins on their products. But here is also where I want to talk about if zoetis' valuation is justified, because this is an almost $77 billion company trading at a 40 PE and 12 price to sales. And I do actually have to say that I personally think the company is actually overvalued at these levels. As much as I love what they do and their business model, I think right now this company is too rich for me. This is truly a steady growth company that is going nowhere and no one is really talking about it. So that's why I really wanted to share this company with you guys so you get a better understanding of this company and the opportunity that it presents. But that does not mean I'm not looking to buy the stock. I certainly am, and it's just a great company overall. So now let's jump into the technicals. Taking a look at the charts, we have support at the 156, 155 level where it's bounced multiple times, that would be a good place to start a small position. But if we do get a wider sell-off, and in general I think the stock will also pull back just because of how overpriced it's gotten, the low 140s is where I would ideally be looking to start a position, and I'd be looking for it to pull down there, turn that previous resistance it had in that area into support, and get a bounce. So make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know down below what you guys think about zoetis stock, and check out my last video for sure, because over there I go over the 3 tech stocks to buy in the next pullback that will make you rich. Those stocks are amazing. I highly recommend you guys check that out. Do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.